Now, time for what you came for, taste test. So I have here a bowl, and I'm not going to add sugar onto this because I already did put some sugar. A bit of milk, just to taste it. Time to try it. Oddly enough, I kid you not, it actually tastes like cornflakes. It does. Oh my god. And I think what I should have done is made the paste thinner than it actually is, because it's not as thin. I don't know if you could see clearly, but it's not as thin. I think I should have made it thinner than this. But that is that. It really does pass the test. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you do attempt to make your own cornflakes, do let me know in the comment section below. I kid you not, it actually tastes like cornflakes. I don't know. Maybe it's just mine. But it does. Oh my god, pretty well. And I didn't make much, I just made like a cup, half a cup full. And it browned pretty well. And I really liked how it browned. Now, for the yellow maize one,